Did you know that the Nigerian chinchin can be made in just a few simple steps, and it is a popular snack loved by many? In this video, you will learn how to make 2 kg of Nigerian chinchin that is delicious, milky and crunchy, perfect for both beginners and those looking to start a business. Hello everyone, welcome to Grace's Kitchen. Here are the ingredients you need: 1.5 kg flour, 300 grams sugar, 1 egg, 1.5 teaspoon baking powder, 250 gram butter, half teaspoon vanilla flavor, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 3/4 cup milk, and 1 cup of water. Into my bowl of already sifted flour, I'll add in my sugar, baking powder, salt, and nutmeg. I'll then go ahead to mix properly. A detailed list of all the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. Kindly check it out. Also, if you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can recommend my videos to other people. Moving on, you go ahead to cut your butter into smaller cubes and add them into your flour mixture. Then in another bowl, you add in all your wet ingredients and then mix them properly and set it aside. I'll be using my stand mixer to mix this, as it makes it a lot easier for me. If you are not using a stand mixer, in your bowl, you go ahead to properly mix in your butter into the flour until the texture resembles a fine breadcrumb. Then you go ahead to gradually add in your wet ingredients and mix until you form a dough. Ensure that you do not overmix or you do not overwork your dough. As soon as your dough is ready, set it aside. Then go ahead to flour your work surface. Cut out your dough in smaller portions and roll out your dough to about half an inch thick, ensuring that the rolled dough is not too thin or too thick, because if it's too thick, it may not be crunchy and it may just soak up oil. Here are some tips that can help you achieve the perfect crunchy chinchin. 1. Use cold ingredients, e.g. cold water, cold butter, or cold milk. Number 2. Do not add too much of liquid into your chinchin mixture, and also avoid frying when the oil is very hot. By following this tip, you get the perfect chinchin. After rolling out your dough, you then go ahead to use a pizza cutter, but if you don't have a pizza cutter, you can also use a knife to cut out your dough. You can decide not to cut out in this shape or in these sizes I am doing in the video. You can cut it out in any shape or in any size you want, but I prefer this shape and size. If you've watched up to this point and you're yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you. When you are done cutting, you sprinkle some flour over your chinchin dough and then you transfer onto your tray. You do this until you've exhausted all your dough. Can you see how beautiful and uniform the cuts are? That is how it should be after you are done. On medium to low heat, heat up your oil in a deep pan. And for you to know when it's ready for you to fry your chinchin, add in 1 chinchin into the oil, and if it floats up almost immediately, then you know it is ready for you to start frying. Add in your chinchin in batches, stirring occasionally so that your chinchin can evenly cook. If you are looking to start up a chinchin business, this recipe is a great one for you. This recipe will give you 2 kg plus 200 grams of chinchin. Stir occasionally, and once your chinchin is golden brown like this. Remove and drain on a paper towel. Repeat this process until you are done frying all your chinchin. Then you transfer onto a flat tray to completely cool. After that, you can now package your chinchin for sale or personal consumption. I hope you find this video helpful. Kindly like, share and comment. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.